just wanted to review a couple items that I had with me the other day that I didn't get a chance to do. One is the pack that I have on. I got this at Bass Pro Shops, and this is the Deer Trail Day Pack. And it's really nice. You know, it's got a space for the hydration bladder to go. You know, it's got put a 2-liter hydration pack in it. It's got 2 pouches, a smaller one on the top, larger one on the bottom. 2 side pouches that are excellent for 700 milliliter smart water bottles. A 1 liter sticks out just a little bit from there, but you know, it's not too bad. The only knock of the pack is when you adjust the straps, they slip, so you got to secure them with some tape. But all in all, that's not bad. Gives you plenty of room for a lot of stuff inside, and we're going to check out some of that stuff in a few minutes. All right, this is pretty cool. I said there's a lot of room inside for stuff. Here's what I have inside here. Tarp. Got trusty canteen cup. Got some gloves. Got some lunch that we're gonna do. Got knife and fork. Here's a little trick that I always use. On any pack, I cut a small bottom of cardboard that's the size of the bottom of the pack, and I stuff it in the bottom of the pack, and that gives me a flat floor in the bottom of the pack, and it really helps you hold a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna review a couple of other things that I had with me on the way in just a second. All right, another item that I have with me is the old Coughlin's folding stove. I'm not going to use the fuel pellets with it, but I'm going to use it with my canteen cup and a piece of galvanized wire over the top. So check this out. Okay, so I got the Coughlin's folding stove set up. Got my alcohol burner in there, and we're going to light it with a cool little product that I got at Walmart. This is the Prime Spark 4-in-1 tool butane lighter, and it's got the bottle opener, it's got the wine opener in case you want to bring some wine out with you to the woods. It's got a little knife, you know, which is really handy dandy. But what I bought it for is the butane lighter. So we're going to spark up our alcohol stove here. And it is going. So when that gets really cooking, what we're going to do is put a piece of wire over it, and I'll show you how I cook. There we go. It's going to go just like that. Another nifty product that I got. The butane lighter was $6. Another nifty product I got was the folding cup. There you go. 16 ounces exactly, and it's got graduated marks on the inside. $1.29 at Walmart. So now we're going to wait for that water to boil, which shouldn't take very long, and I'll be back. All right, I don't know whether you're going to be able to see it, but it took about 4 minutes, and this water in that canteen cup is boiling hard. But yeah, you can see it smoking a little bit, but you see that flame creeping around the outside? Well, that flame was on the inside because this is an alcohol stove and the flame's coming up both sides of the canteen cup. This is a perfect example of why I always take gloves with me, and I always wear gloves, because those handles right there are going to be really hot. So here's how I do it. Well, that's hot. And those are hot as well. Beef stroganoff with noodles. Ooh. The bag's even too hot to grab without my gloves. All right, we're gonna wait about 8 minutes and we're gonna get some lunch. Okay, so it said wait 8 to 9 minutes. I waited 10. We got the beef stroganoff with noodles. Let's see how it is. Oh, yummy, yummy. All right, this is how I do it. Let's see how everybody else does it. Not bad. A couple skeeters out here. Not bad. So we're reviewing a couple different items today. One is Redhead Deer Trail Day Pack, $20 at Bass Pro Shops. Good buy. Got the red folding cup, exactly 16-ounce cup with graduations on the inside of it from Walmart for under $2. We got ProSpark multi-tool butane lighter from Walmart, windproof lighter, you know, butane refillable for $6. And you know, caught it on sale, beef stroganoff and noodles, the old Mountain House, for about $7, and that's not bad. So here's how we do it in the South. Woo. That's hot. Boiled up the water using my Coughlin's folding stove that I got at Dick's Sporting Goods for $5.99. I didn't use the fuel pellets with it because fuel pellets are a little bit messy. So I wound up using a small alcohol burner. I had to build one that was about half the size of what you regularly build to go in the Coughlin's folding stove. And it just so happened that the folding stove was too wide to fit my canteen cup on. So I got a couple of pieces of galvanized 1/2-inch hardware cloth. You just double them over and it makes a cooking grid. You can't barbecue on it, but you know, for an easy grill, it's not bad. So there's my product reviews for today. Everything worked great. They're going to be a permanent addition to my kit and my hiking kit. So let's see what you guys use. Once again, this is Matt from Florida Boy Survival. See you on the trail.